groundbreaking, no, happened some time ago. And as you may know, I have always invited the media. I've always been transparent about all my projects katong congressman pa ko. And if there was any issue on security or secrecy, gisita na ta sa Philippine Navy, sa NAVFORCEN. But in fact, they joined us sa groundbreaking. And I think it was to protect us, to show that our Navy is capable of protecting our people. No, I think it is a given that because we have an air base here and a NAVFORCEN here, we are a target. That is reality. No, so mag-google pod nimo na naatay NAVFORCEN, naatay air base dire. So given na naat ang atong mga air and sea assets na aginay mga pang para maprotektahan ta. Na ay mga arms, na di ba?